So there's the syllable block, which this is like syllable block number 2. I also learned how to while practicing. I did this consonants with the initial vowel sounds that I learned the ha vowel sounds, but it's because I don't want this video to be too long. I probably will do that again in another video, probably during my practice, maybe later tonight. I plan to practice again later tonight, but yeah, for now, the syllable block. The syllable block now, there was something the teacher said about syllable blocks. Oh god. Um, okay, yeah, there are the first syllable block that we learned in the last lesson is thus. Do not mind my brain. Do not mind my brain. Is this one CV? Yeah, but it said like you can only use the this one when the vowel is vertical. Like you can only use. Let me write that down. You can only use this syllable block. This I got. Yeah. Is this still focused? Yeah, this syllable block when the vowel is vertical. And by vertical, that's like because the previous vowel, the ha vowel is like this, yeah, yeah. This is the ha vowel, so you can use this with the consonants because it is vertical. So you use the syllable below, the syllable below. But for this instance, where the vowel is it horizontal? I don't know what that is. I don't care. Is that it? If it's not, forget I said anything. But since the whole vowel, is it whole or whole? Whole. Is it whole? Oh yeah, it's whole. Since the whole vowel is like this. Yeah, it's whole. The whole vowel. In my native language, there's like, we have a sound called ho. Yeah, so it's like, well, this one is whole. Yeah. So because the it's not vertical, so the syllable block used here is, there are 6 syllable blocks. The syllable block number 2, which is the one that's like this. If you laugh at my drawing, yeah, but like C V. Yeah, so this is the syllable block that we use. Yeah, since the what's called now, the um because the vowel is not vertical. So example like practice, okay, practice. Okay, yeah, practice. Okay, I'll forget this one. Which one was the one we learned first? The hymn. So it will be, the hymn is written like this, and then the what are you saying? Whole. Good. No, the whole sound will come like this. Oh no, I don't think they. Oh my god, I don't think they're supposed to be together like that. Let me retry that. It's like this, yeah, like this. I hope this is focused like this, and then like this, and then yeah, just I think this is better. So we have the more, so the more, some more, some more. I'm not so sure about the pronunciation yet, but him and ho, more, is it more, some more? Is it more? Oh god. But yeah, this is basically the CV. Using the CV, the like this block, this syllable block, using the syllable block. Yeah. I hope this is focused. Oh my god. Yeah, so using the syllable block. Now the second one, which is like the second, which is P, written like this, this, and pushing. Oh, made a mistake. Okay, so it has to be written. It has to be like, okay, yeah, like this, and then like this, and then the, yeah. I mean, the strokes could really use more work, but you know, I'm still a complete beginner. I'm trying my best. Give me some grace. So this is P, and this is O. So it's like po, po, mo, po, po, mo, po, po, mo, po. So am I pronouncing it correctly? Yeah, I'll keep guessing better. Now the other one is the head, which is like this, yeah. And then combining that with the whole syllable would be um and then I hope that is, and then that's head and oh, I guess, yeah. And then the not the last one, the second to the last one is the cha sound. Cha, it's a cha. So this is like mo, po. This is mo, po. So. It's a so. I have to go back to listen to the pronunciation because, yeah, that's another thing that is very, very important, like pronunciation, because that's a very important aspect of language. So this is like yeah, this is the, oh, okay, this is written like this, and then yeah, so combining that with the whole sound would be, I have really big handwriting, and it feels like to write this, your handwriting has to be enough. Small size, little. But yeah, um, the writing could will really need work, but this is my first practice. This is my first practice. This is my first practice. Okay, so this is, and the the whole vowel. So that's cho cho. Is it cho? Is it cho cho? Is it cho as in chasanda? Is it? Is it? Is it? Wait, is it? Or am I getting ahead of myself? Is it cho as in chasanda? Chasanda? Cho? Yeah, I don't know. Is it? Is it cho? Is it cho? Chasanda? Is it? How good? Oh, but yeah, that's it. And then the last one is this one. The writing really, really needs work, but this one is huge. So combining this with the, oh my god, I hope nobody saw that. Okay, it's like, I'm not so sure. You know what? I really don't know what I'm doing now. Is this even? Let me check. Okay, it is. I'm actually on point. On point, on point, on point. Okay. I've not gone astray yet. So this is H and who. So that's. Let me listen to it again.
모, 보, 모, 호, 소, 조,
Cho.
호.
Okay. Okay,
Practice
so
these sounds on your own.
okay, so that's more, po, cho, ho. Am I? More, po, cho, ho. So I'm right? Is cho as in chasham? But yeah, that's it for today. I will do another leg practice. Later in the night, hopefully I'll come out to tired. How good. It's currently time is currently like 2 something or 3 currently. But I have to work. So after working I will I'm not sure I'll film that, but if I'm not able to film it, I probably will film it tomorrow along with the lesson for tomorrow. So yeah, that's it on holding myself accountable. And yeah, thank you for watching. If anyone watches this, that is. But yeah.